Hello, CM family. My name is Esther Summers. I'm an advisor in Tennessee, and I'm here today to share some tips with you and to introduce a new tool. So let's get started. I am here today to introduce the Creative Memories reversible tweezers. These beauties will give you precision and control when working with any kind of tiny sticker or embellishment. It has a rubber grip so your fingers and hands don't slip off from the tool, and it gives you a strong grip. These tweezers are reversible. Unlike regular tweezers, you can hold on to a tiny little embellishment like this, place it on the table until you are ready to use it. Once you decide where you would like your embellishment, so it gives you the option of moving it around, then you just place it down. And there it is. So these are amazing. The reversible tweezers open when you squeeze and close when you let go. So your tiny special embellishments or stickers will stay in its place until you are ready to use it. How fun is that? This will definitely be a tool I use whenever I work in my craft room. I'm so excited to introduce this to you today. Here are a few tips about our sketches. Sketches, to me, are a starting point. They allow you to be as creative as you'd like. You can choose to follow them exactly how they are printed, or you can make changes and make them your own. One question always comes up: why are there so many flowers on the sketches? Sketches will have areas for embellishment, stickers, journaling, and sometimes a title. When they print a flower here, it doesn't mean you need to place a flower there. It just means that this might be a really good idea for a cluster of stickers or embellishments. Here's an example here of the title box and some more strips here and here. So you'll see that these are just examples where you possibly could put embellishments, stickers, or journaling. If you decide that you have a lot more journaling, you can expand the journaling box here and possibly put the title here or put it there. But the sticker flower question was coming up a lot, I noticed on the blog, and I just wanted to share that this doesn't mean you have to put 2 stickers of flowers there. It just means that you can be creative in that corner. So for my case, I put this sticker here and decided to put more stickers with words in it instead of just designs. My title went here, and journaling opened up the box here. And here is the stickers that I decided for border, and then the wonderful rainbow punch. I wanted to add that somewhere in my page, so I decided to add it here. So I hope this tip is helpful for you. I'd like to share just a real simple tip on foam squares. These are simple and easy to help our embellishments and our stickers look 3D on a page. I don't use foam squares on all my embellishment stickers, but I do like to showcase some that I feel like are important to me to showcase on the page. It just gives your page a little more excitement, a little more design. So here's an example, taking a sticker with a little heart and placing it down on the page. It still looks very nice, but I want to give it a little 3D look, so I've added a foam square behind this one. And as you can see, it sits up. Now all I have left is just to add my string for my balloons. And there you go. Now you have a nice little sticker piece that has a 3D look, and popped it with a little dot from our wonderful pins. And there you go. So I hope this tip was helpful. Thank you.